Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices, phone and Civic. Make sure your phone runs Android 8, 0 or newer, and the Android Auto app is installed. This ensures compatibility. Plug an OEM or high-quality USB cable into the car and phone, then put the car in park and turn the ignition on. Next, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location on your phone so the car can discover it. Once connected, watch the phone for pairing prompts and accept device pairing to start the in-car setup process. You will now complete the middle steps to let Android Auto control your interface. Pair the phone with the Civic using the infotainment prompts. Confirm the PIN if shown and allow the car to access phone features. Then grant Android Auto permissions for contacts, media, and location so navigation and calling work smoothly. Open Android Auto settings and select wired or wireless mode. Wired is more stable, while wireless frees the cable. Make sure both apps and the car firmware are up to date to avoid hiccups. You finish by launching Android Auto from the Civic screen and confirming the home layout appears. Test navigation, music playback, and Google Assistant voice commands to verify audio routing and microphone function. If the phone doesn't connect, restart both phone and vehicle, then retry. Make sure the USB port is clean and try another port if available. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the Android Auto app cache and data on your phone, then repair. That resolves most persistent connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.